both sailors. Always, ladies and gentlemen, circle of awareness, we've got to know what's going on. Okay, front of the mainsail looks a lot cleaner. Let's see how she sets up. Oh yeah. Okay, that's a lot cleaner at the front. We'll keep an eye on where the boom is as well on the boat there. Boom's come into the side deck more. So again, we've got ourselves clear of the jib exhaust. The one thing we cannot have, ladies and gentlemen, is a bagging, ragging mainsail. It's just not pretty. Let's try and move forward. See what the master's actually doing fore and aft. Boat nice and flat, as you'd expect. And although the guys are working hard, the boat is doing a lot of effort for it. Top tail on the jib. Look at it, skying out there. Top of the jib's actually losing itself a couple of times. That's lovely. Bit of rag, to survive the gust. Jib should go. Those jib cleats need to be lowered. Mast bend is slowed down, ladies and gentlemen. Puff coming, let's see how they survive it. Mainsail mapping on the mainsail again, look. And the mainsail looks very flat and very controlled, which is what we'd look for in this weather. Look at the jib tails, they're all doing as we'd expect. Coming down to leeward. Plenty of twist in that mainsail, we get a view of that as we come forward to a big gust coming. Not sure if I wouldn't go cars up a little bit on that jib either. I'd like the jib base a bit flatter than that. Okay, that's how much twist we've got on this mainsail. And again, we've got parallel slot. We're still looking at parallel slot. Still looking at the mainsail map working for us. DJ, can you go jib cars up? That's better. Now what I'm trying to do there, so Simon can now bring more sheet on, so we can flatten the base of the jib. Sheet on a bit, Symes! Thank you! No, that's right. That's better. Now we've got a flatter jib base, but with twist. I think the jib was getting a little bit too full, quite breezy.